Today, we're going to have a look at the CINAHL Plus with full-text database. CINAHL is an acronym for Cumulative Index of Nursing and Allied Health Literature. It contains references to articles from hundreds of nursing and allied health journals and links to many full-text articles where they are available. CINAHL database can be accessed through our library's website, sulibraryph.com. Click the Resources tab, scroll down, and once there, click the database link. To access the resources, click Sign In. Search options are available, basic and advanced search. We will start with advanced search page. Simply use multiple search for search terms. We will begin by conducting a keyword search. A simple term, smoking. Smoking can cause problems during pregnancy, and planning for quitting sometimes is the hardest time. So we can start by simply looking for pregnant and smoking. We need not to include the search harmful effects because CINAHL knows what we are looking for, smoking and pregnancy. Here's the result of our search. Enormous sources about the topic are retrieved. The first article that we found, Restarting Smoking in the Postpartum Period After Receiving a Smoking Cessation Intervention, a Systematic Review, is probable. But first, let's talk about the few basic theory to be more specific in our search. On the left-hand side of the screen, CINAHL gives you the option Customize your search. For example, you're looking for articles published within a certain time frame. This is especially helpful to researchers using CINAHL, as students in nursing and allied health sciences, and so with your professors, usually don't want to rely on older sources. So let us change the date limiter from 2015 to 2020, or simply click on the slider, and we just drag that across to our desired year. Now, we have only sources from the last 5 years. As researchers, you have to specifically use academic journal articles. One way to make sure of that is to click on the academic journal limiters. Click on the link and you are taken to this page where you will find information about the article. You will see the author of the article, where the journal came from, and you usually see an abstract, just a summary of the article. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the PDF full text link. Just click on it and you will have the full text of the article. Finally, at the right side of the screen, there are tools. Tools you can choose of for your articles. You can save it or send it to your personal email account. If ever you have questions, ask the librarian.